So today we're out surveying at Lake Placid. We're just sort of working on gathering data to put together the feasibility of a complete streets project here in Lake Placid, so sidewalks and bike infrastructure. So we do a lot of work in the surrounding communities up here in the North Country, mainly revolving around complete streets, just trying to make roadways safer for everybody.
I got involved with this project in C3G through one of my professors. I was interested in staying in Potsdam for the summer, so I reached out to Professor Backus to see if he had any work, and that is how I found out about C3G and the projects that we're doing this summer. My involvement in this project and this internship prepares me a lot for life after college in Clarkson. It helps me become a more valuable member in whatever team and whatever company I decide to join in after graduating.
The role that I play is mostly setting up a lot of the maps that we use. So today for the software that we use, I set up a lot of the points, line features, things like that, and a lot of the groundwork for our software. I feel like for specifically the project helping in my education, I get an easy groundwork for understanding what a daily life is for a civil engineer, for understanding the surveying and a lot of the background, before you get to the design work and eventually implementing it into whatever construction project you're working on.
So I've been interested in this field for a long time. I have previous experience in land surveying, so it all sort of comes together and you get to be outside, you get to meet with people, talk with people, and you get to see sort of you get to make a real impact in your community.